Flow rapido, ritmo cortante. Listen up, 5 seconds in, I'm alive again. No breaking down, I'll rise again. Heart beating with bass drum, let's begin. You feel that? It's the fire in my skin. I've been through storms, yeah, I danced in rain. Faced the dark nights, drowned in pain. But I flipped the script, no chain, no stain. Now I'm running lanes, breaking frames, yeah, I changed the game. On the grind daily, no snooze, no hinge. Chasing dreams, no fake, ain't no cringe. I rise from ashes, shoot past the fringe. I'm the one they doubted, now I'm the binge. Back when they laughed, said I crack, I just smile. Kept my head low, walked that extra mile. Now the whole world watches when I freestyle. Cause I'm that survivor, turn pain to profile. Flow switches like seasons, never reason to freeze. I speak truths, no scripts, no need to appease. I got scars that whisper strength when I seize every beat, every bar, building legacies. When the night got heavy, I just found my light. Took a hunch, kept the fight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't no fall too low, ain't no shadow too deep. I'm the promise I keep, won't ever sleep. I'm a survivor, feel that fire burning higher. From the ashes I aspire, shining brighter, never tire. I'm a survivor, climbing higher. When they doubt you, this is my time. Let them hear it now. See me in the mirror, scars turn to gold. Everyone a lesson, every story told. Not just about the riches or the ice you hold. It's about the soul's fight, they're the dreams you sold. Speed rap coming, can't stop my tongue. Words hit hard like bullets from a gun. Internal rhymes, punchlines, better run. I'm the proof you can win, even when undone. I'm talking late nights grind, eyes on a spark. Trapped in the dark, then I lit up the park. Flow savage but human, straight off the mark. I'm the pulse of the street, can't miss that spark. Irony and grit, sarcasm and hope. I build ladders from pain, learn how to cope. No mask, no facade, just raw dope. I'm the voice of the lost, the struggle's antidote. When the night got heavy, I just found my light. Took a hunch, kept the fight. Ain't no fall too low, ain't no shadow too deep. I'm the promise I keep, won't ever sleep. I'm a survivor, feel that fire burning higher. From the ashes I aspire, shining brighter, never tire. I'm a survivor, climbing higher. When they doubt you, this is my time. Let them hear it now. Survivor. You know life's a test and we all fail at times. But it's how you stand up, how you write your lines. Use the wounds as ink, let them sign your rhymes. Turn pain into power all in due time. Ain't no ghost if you stand when most fall. I'm a survivor, feel